Are you on a low-carb diet but still want to enjoy a delicious quiche for Easter or Mother's Day? My name is London Brazil from evolvingtable.com, and today we're going to be making a spinach and artichoke crustless quiche. Yes, no crust means not nearly as many carbs, and even those of you that aren't on a keto or low-carb diet, I promise you will love it too. We'll first start off by sautéing up a bunch of spinach with onion and garlic. Then we move on to whisking up a few eggs with milk and seasonings. Then we toss it all into a baking dish with the chopped up artichokes and bake it in the oven until it is crispy and the golden crustless quiche perfection. If you want a few ideas for some substitutions you can try in case you don't have all these ingredients on hand, make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video where I show you a few simple swaps. If this all sounds good to you, come on in and let's get started. Our spinach quiche is out of the oven and I cannot wait to take a taste test. It looks so good. The golden from the eggs mixed with the bright green spinach. Here we go. This would be such a pretty dish to set out for an Easter brunch or fancy breakfast. As promised, here are a few ingredient substitution ideas. First, we used almond milk in this recipe, but feel free to use regular milk, cashew milk, or soy milk instead. Second, mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese were both used in this recipe. If you're dairy-free or vegetarian, feel free to substitute with a cheese alternative. And third, I used fresh spinach in this quiche recipe. However, if you have frozen spinach, feel free to use that instead, but just make sure you drain it and dry it thoroughly before adding it into this quiche. And if you liked what you saw here today, check out these cute egg muffins. They're just like this quiche, but made into individual form. And if you're on YouTube, subscribe down below so you don't miss a future recipe. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you again soon.